So hey you guys, this is Glamazante and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be sponsored by Eayonhair. I have in their tape-ins, the 24-inch ones. And when I tell you, girl, these were some bomb tape-ins. And I know y'all been hearing on social media that black girls ain't supposed to get tape-ins, but I'm here to prove that myth wrong. So first things first, I ended up getting my stylist, Nia. She did such a bomb job with, first off, just washing my hair, conditioning my hair, and detangling it. This is the best way to prep for the extensions to go into your hair. And also, I just wanted to really make sure that my hair was going to last. It was going to be durable, and it for sure, it was going to be clean. But when I tell you, honey, she washed my hair so good. I ain't never had my hair washed good like that, child. She even had me sitting on the kitchen sink, so you know it was like a good wash, okay? So next she went ahead and pretty much blow dried my hair to make it dry and prep it to be pressed. Now at this point I was really trying to figure out if I wanted my hair to be straight or curly, but y'all see at the end of the time I ended up straightening my hair. Now my hair is very thick. Please pay attention to how thick my hair is because this will let you know how many tape-ins you need for your own hair. So y'all see how thick my hair is. So basically she went ahead and pressed it. I love the fact that she presses my hair pretty much with just running it through once. She don't need to press it like multiple times because ain't nobody got time for no heat damage, okay? But the luster of my hair is so thick and naturally shiny on its own. This is my hair length by itself, and this is 5 years of my raw, hydrated, grown hair. Like, when I tell you cut my hair off years ago was the best thing to do, it was the best thing to do. So now I'm going to show you guys, this is actual tape-ins that she's going to be putting in. Now with the tape-ins, they come in packs of 40. So basically, I had ended up getting 3 packs of 24-inch tape-ins. Now at first it looked like 3 bundles and I was like, wow, is this going to be enough hair? I don't know if it's going to be enough. I actually was worried and I told her that, but I was like, you know, we're just going to rock with it and see how it goes. And this hair, each little tape-in had like the hair has such a nice, pretty, thick luster that as thick as my hair is, we only ended up using 2 bundles of tape-ins. So I had the 3rd bundle just in case, the 3rd pack, but literally we only ended up using in my full head 80 tape-ins. And when I say I was blown away because I did not think it was going to be enough, but it actually was. Now I got it in a natural black color, and for all 3 bundles of the tape-ins, it was $351, which is really not a bad price at all. And you guys know with the tape-ins, they will stay in long as you don't put oil on them to slip out. And pretty much once you use the tape-ins, you are able to reuse them as well again if you just put tape back on them. But I'm gonna let y'all see how she went ahead and worked her magic. But pretty much she literally just parted my hair. She put the sticky side on and she used a clamp to actually hold the tape in and blend it with my hair. And then at the end, she gets to it with pressing it out. But just to give y'all some tidbits with how my tape-ins have been so far and what I've been doing to make them work and last so long. I do not oil my hair where the actual tape-ins are because that is the method you use to remove them. So I only oil my hair like naturally where my hair is and not much, but I really haven't been oiling it that much at all. Also, with the tape-ins, I just treat it like it's my natural hair. I make sure I straighten it. I make sure that I wrap it at nighttime, just hold it down. I'm not very harsh with combing and brushing my hair. I'm taking my time because at the end of the day, this is something taped to my hair, so I want it to last. And I think another thing is that I don't put a lot of heat on my hair. With her doing this initial heat on the hair to get the tape-ins in, I just touched my hair probably 1 time since they've been in for these 2 weeks, and Honestly, I haven't had any issues, and also none of the tape-ins actually have came out at all, which I was shocked about, because when I did get the micro links, at least one or two of them had popped out. So yes, child. So this is my hair actually pressed with the tape-ins. It is blending seamlessly. Now with the website, you can actually purchase the jet black ones, or you can get the ones that are the natural color. I have the natural color, and I believe my hair is around the natural color 1B, and they blended perfectly. Also, this style is very versatile, the tape-ins, because you can get your stylist to put them in to the point where you can have two ponytails, or you can have half up, half down. So you don't just have to wear them straight down. So with mine, I actually have them in where I can do half up, half down if I choose to. But I was just blown away of how good this hair blended in with my hair. So, and also, like I said, make sure y'all keep in mind, if your hair is as thick as mine, you might only need 2 bundles. But if it's not, I still would get 2 bundles at minimum, just because it's like, I want to make sure you got enough. You know what I'm saying? And you don't want to have to like stop in the middle to do something. But this is giving very natural hair tease. It looked like a silk press. Like, girl, where does my hair start, begin, and end? Like, it looks so good. I actually ended up getting them cut natural, like a natural face frame, so they would just blend in even more with my hair, but everything looks freaking amazing. And I've had them in for 2 weeks, and this is my 2-week update of how much my hair has grown with them in. So they're still holding on, still doing really, really good. And I'm in love. These were actually really lightweight. They're not heavy at all, and they're extremely versatile. I even have a video coming out showing you guys all the different styles. I had different outfits on, but they're different styles that I'm doing with each outfit. Like, love these tape-ins. And if you guys are interested in getting you some, make sure you click the link in my bio. Definitely check out Eayonhair for your own tape-ins. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. See ya.